Hey guys, Ken here and welcome back. For today's video, i-share ko sa inyo yung aking updated na Pink by Pure Beauty skincare review. Again, this one is called Pink by Pure Beauty. This is an affordable skincare brand made in Korea and mabibili nyo to sa Watsons. Super cute na packaging nila, diba? And basically, this one is a beginner-friendly K-beauty skincare line. Ayun guys, that is the best way para i-describe itong Pink by Pure Beauty because again, number one, it is made in Korea. Number two, all of the ingredients na meron itong mga skincare nila are made in Korea as well and yung mga popular sa Korean skincare. Super cool, diba? Imagine, affordable skincare but made in Korea. And by the way, dalawa nga pala yung range na meron sila and that is the Bye Bye Pores and also hydrating range. And as you guys can see, I have here majority ng mga products na meron ang Pink by Pure Beauty. Pink by Pure Beauty Bye Bye Pores Toner is a lightweight, fast-absorbing toner that soothes, hydrates, and removes dirt residue left on the skin. And hopefully you guys can see. Hanggang dito na lang yung laman niya guys kasi gamit na gamit ko siya. If you have oily skin, you will definitely love this. Scent of this one is actually really good. I love it kasi floral siya but very light. And very unique as well, at least for me ha. Ito kasing toner na to guys, compared sa mga typical na ginagamit natin or usual na nakikita sa market. Meron siyang Jeju Volcanic Ash and actually when you look at it, especially kapag hindi nyo siya na-shake or nakasettle lang yung product, talaga makikita nyo and sobrang obvious na nagsasettle yung Jeju Volcanic Ash sa pinaka-toner or liquid. By the way, tatlo nga pala yung main ingredient na meron tong toner. First one nga is yung pore minimizing na Jeju Volcanic Ash. It also contains Jeju Thermal Water which is skin hydrating. And also activated carbon which helps sebum control. Overall, for me, I still love using this product and obvious naman, diba? Gamit na gamit nga siya. Maganda to guys and sobrang okay siyang gamitin especially if you have extremely oily skin. Tapos kapag ginamit nyo siya sa face, it really works and very effective talaga siya. Most especially when it comes to removing dirt and also excess sebum. Makikita nyo talaga natatanggal niya yung dirt tapos kapag hinawakan yung face, wala talagang oiliness at all. And actually minsan kapag tinatamad ako mag-wash ng face, eto na lang toner na to yung ginagamit ko kasi nga talaga nakakatanggal siya ng dumi sa face. This fizzy, so soft foam cleanser gives you a gentle but effective cleansing experience to rinse away dirt and impurities without hurting skin. If you're one of those people na naghahanap ng cleansing foam na perfect for every day, and of course, gentle yet effective, you guys might want to check this one out. And dito sa foaming cleanser na to, aside sa ayun nga, talaga nakakatanggal siya ng dirt sa face. Isa pa sa nagustuhan ko dito is that hindi siya yung klase ng foaming cleanser na after nyo siyang gamitin, parang sobrang banat na banat yung face and sobrang dry. Alam niyo yung feeling na ganun, yung sobrang uncomfortable kasi banat na banat yung skin and parang walang moisture. Ayun, hindi siya ganun. After using, skin feels very soft and hydrated pa din. And yung scent, sobrang bango nga guys. Light floral siya. Great value for money as well guys kasi kahit pea-sized amount lang, kapag ka nag-foam and nag-lather siya, okay na siya sa entire face. Its Pore Perfection Clay Mask is a deep cleansing clay mask which revives and exfoliates skin by absorbing sebum and purifying clogged pores. And look, ang dami ko na nagamit. And actually, hindi lang ako gumagamit nito. Even my siblings. And ako guys, personally, I love using this especially on weekends. Or on days na feeling ko kailangan ng skin ko ng TLC, especially kung madalas ako mag-makeup that week. Ayun, sa mga ganong moment, ito yung madalas kong gamitin. So basically, with this one guys, all you have to do is ilagay siya all over your face or sa mga areas na gusto nyong lagyan. And then, iiwan nyo lang siya for about 10 minutes. And that's it. After that, all you have to do is i-rinse siya. And makikita nyo talaga guys, especially close up, sobrang linis ng pores and also ang bright tignan ng skin. In fairness, dito nakakatawang gamitin kasi nga talagang nag-work siya. So yeah, for those of you na mahilig mag-makeup or kaya mahilig kayong lumabas, tapos feeling nyo sobrang dirty ng skin nyo, especially ng pores, you might want to check this one out. Guaranteed guys, talagang kayang-kayang ibigay nitong product na to yung TLC na kailangan ng skin. Pink by Pure Beauty, so smooth pudding cream, helps enhance skin complexion for a healthy pinkish glow. And tatlo yung key ingredient na meron siya. Sakura which fights free radical, peach flower which hydrates, and pink rose which revitalizes the skin. This is amazing. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Actually, itong product na to guys, pwedeng-pwede siyang dupe dun sa favorite kong Korean brand na face cream kasi parehong-pareho sila ng texture, ng color, and even yung feeling sa skin. The only difference that they have actually is yung scent and also yung price. Kasi that one, yung Korean brand na ginagamit ko, I believe parang less than 1K, but etong isang to guys, parang nasa 400 pesos plus lang. But ayun nga, in terms of performance and how it works sa skin, parehong-pareho talaga sila guys, I swear. Actually, bala akong bumili nun ulit eh. Kaya lang hindi ko siya ma-justify kasi nga sobrang mahal nung price. Kaya ibang level yung happiness ko nung na-discover ko to kasi ayun nga, they perform the same and yung feeling, everything. For those of you na naghahanap ng cream na perfect for everyday, yung hydrating, moisturizing, and ginagawang supple yung skin. Napakagandang gamitin ito sa skin kasi after a few minutes ng pag-massage nyo sa face, mabilis siyang mag-sink in sa skin tapos kapag hinawakan nyo yung face nyo, very supple and plump yung feeling. And I also love na even though parang pudding yung consistency nito and when you look at it, parang sobrang thick, very comfortable naman na siya kapag nakalagay sa face. And also guys, even before applying makeup, maganda rin siyang gamitin kasi nga diba, ginagawang plump yung skin kaya once you apply your foundation, mas maganda yung kapit and yung finish ng base. Pink by Pure Beauty, its Pore Perfection Essence is a lightweight, silky essence that moisturizes and recharges your skin with its fast-absorbing texture. Ito namang essence na to, I feel like magugustuhan nyo siya and pwedeng-pwede nyo siyang gamitan, especially if mahilig kayong mag-pile up ng skincare. Very hydrating siya guys, and yung isa sa mga na-notice ko is that sobrang bilis niya mag-sink in sa skin. But unlike other essence or yung mga common essence na nakikita natin, ang kinagandahan dito is that hindi siya oily. I mean, yes, it is a little bit emollient, pero not to the point na para ka naglagay ng mantika sa face. And dito kasi sa isang to guys, after a few minutes, medyo nagda-dry siya or nagsaset. Wala din siyang iniiwang stickiness but mafe-feel nyo once you touch your skin. It feels hydrated, soft, and definitely moisturized. Maganda yung texture niya and formula in fairness. And this one as well guys, yung essence. Meron din siyang Jeju Volcanic Ash, Jeju Thermal Water, and also Activated Carbon. Diba, hindi lang siya nakaka-moisturize ng skin. Meron din siyang pore minimizing, skin hydration, and also sebum control properties. Pink by Pure Beauty Sobler Cream creates a refined, soft skin texture which appears poreless, moist, and translucent. Another favorite of mine which I think you guys need to try as well. And this one, sobrang perfect nung name niya na Sobler Cream kasi kapag ginamit niyo siya sa face, meron talaga siyang blurring effect. Consistency and texture of this one kasi guys, para siyang velvety and almost like silicone-y. Hence, kapag nilagay niyo siya sa face, makikita niyo talaga. It definitely gives that blurry effect. Ang ganda ng finish niyo sa skin. And this one as well, pwedeng niyo din siyang gamiting primer. Ang nice, diba? Kasi parang kapag binili niyo siya, 2-in-1 product na siya. And this one as well, meron siyang sakura, peach flower, and pink rose. If ever mapunta kayo ng Watsons and merong tester nito, I suggest na subukan nyo siya and I swear, you will definitely love the consistency and feeling of this one sa skin. Feeling of this one sa skin is really nice kasi hindi siya mabigat, hindi malagkit. Hindi siya yung klase ng product na kapag nilagay nyo sa face, parang may weird layer. Very comfortable sa skin, kaya pwede nyo siyang gamitin alone or kaya ayun nga, underneath makeup. Such an amazing product and definitely one of my top 3 and worth repurchasing. Anyway guys, that is it for today's video. For those of you na naghahanap ng skincare routine na perfect for beginners and also made in Korea, and syempre affordable, of course, make sure to check out Pink by Pure Beauty. Kaya ayun guys, if you want to try this, of course, just go sa pinakamalapit na Watsons or kaya i-check nyo sila online. And syempre, bago matapos tong video, hindi pwedeng hindi ko i-share yung aking top 3. Ito yung first sa aking top 3. This one is the Sobler Cream. Second is the So Smooth Pudding. And number 3 is itong Pore Perfection Clay Mask. Actually, tayo sila ng toner. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much. Stay safe. And I hope to see all of you again on my next one.